held at the earliest, and it's a matter of time. The Honorable Rashtrapati Ji has referred to former salutation in his address to the members of both the houses on 29th of this month. Discussion on the motion of thanks to President for the address is scheduled to be started tomorrow. In fact, I wanted the discussion to start today, but I was told and it was brought to my notice the convention that the discussion first starts in Lok Sabha and then the Rajya Sabha takes up. This has been the convention so far. Keeping that in mind, we have agreed to have the discussion on President's address tomorrow. Even the Business Advisory Committee also has been informed. So as we are going to discuss the President's address tomorrow as the first item, members can avail this opportunity and then participate and express their viewpoints. That's why I am not able to accept the notice given to suspend the business of the House. So please take opportunity tomorrorow. And you have 10 hours. You have 10 hours. आपने notice दिया. I have allowed the leader of the opposition to mention the gist of the notice. So, keeping that in mind, you will be discussing tomorrow. Nobody is going to stop you from discussing the issues. Please. These notices given for 0 hour today, they will be carried forward. They will not lapse. These 0 hour notices will not lapse. They will be carried forward. Now, please, nobody is allowed to speak now. Once the chair has given a decision, please accept that. And tomorrow you will get an opportunity, whatever you want to say, highlight the issues for my community. Sukendra Sekaraji, you want to add something? Please, Bait Jai.
That this House could not discuss the farmers' bills when it came up before this House. But now we are not on that. Everybody wants that is a matter of national importance. Even government is also holding discussions. But the House is not aware of what is going on in between the government and the Kisan organizations.
Right.
That is why this House should discuss at length the matter of national importance because it is concerning the Annadata of the country.
Right, I understand. I understand what you are saying.
So many political parties have given notice.
I have myself mentioned the names of the people
address, sir, in presidential address, there are so many issues. There are so many issues.
Who?
But we want a discussion on a specific...
Your leader's name has been mentioned now, that means all included. Upendraji? Adabaran Karim?
I respect your words, but one thing, in the border, hundreds and thousands of farmers and their families, including children, are there. Water supply and electricity is disconnected. It is an inhuman activity. You please ask them to resume that electricity and water supply there and conduct a discussion.
I got your point. Sri Siva?
Sir, we abide by your decision, sir, but at the same time, the issue is very serious. For more than 2 months, sir, in bitter cold, women and children of old age...
This has been said, Siva. Sir, Manoj Jha.
Sir, hundreds of guides, sir, and we have to discuss it separately.
Please. We will discuss it. There is no problem. Tomorrow.
Just
President address mentions farmers.
Thank you, sir.
Laws. So we need to discuss it.
Shukriya, sir.
Manoj Jha, please.
Ji, sir.
Don't shout.
Shukriya, Sabhapati Mahoday.
Whoever shouts more with a louder voice, they will not get an opportunity.
सर सिर्फ मैं 30 सेकंड लूंगा. मैं माननीय सभापति जी आपके माध्यम से कहना चाहता हूं कि संसद प्रतिनिधियों का केंद्र है. अगर संसद जन सरोकार के मुद्दों पर जहां एक तरफ सर्द पूस की रातों में लोग परेशान हो रहे, संसद कम से कम चर्चा करे. इतनी गुजारिश.
Vinay Viswam, where are you, Vinay?
Sir.
Vinay Viswam.
Yes, sir. I'm so grateful to you, sir. Sir, I am sure that you would agree with me that this is the most urgent and pressing issue of today. The real people who feed the country are on the path of agitation for so many months now. So kindly discuss this issue in the House now, sir. That's why we have
Right.
we request you to
Siddhartha?
allow us.
Ashok Siddharth? Huh? Ms. Raj, you want to? Please. Siddhartha is here or not?